From a biker that runs over a thief to stop him, and another biker that pulls a weapon to save a woman.
Get the f away from me!
To a biker that stops a rogue runaway bull. These are just 3 of the most legendary moments we have in this video where bikers become absolute heroes. Because at number 1, a biker steps into danger with his own daughter on the back and makes a decision no parent ever wants to face. While riding with his young daughter, this biker sees a man violently attacking a woman. He yells, stops instantly, and pulls out protection, risking everything to stop the threat and keep both women safe.
Get the f away from me! I have my daughter! You get the f away from me! Get in the f car! Off of my daughter! Right now!
Go. Let's go. You want to get on the back of my bike? Come on, it's okay.
Don't keep walking up to me! Go. Get her out of here. Right now.
I love you, Dad.
I love you, bub.
Everything's alright.
Even with his child right there, he puts himself between danger and the innocent. But the next biker catches something even worse. A thief in action. This person doesn't just watch, he chases right after him. Here, a thief snatches a man's backpack and tries to run, but this biker sees it all happen. He immediately races after the thief, tracks him down, and manages to recover the stolen bag. The victim is left speechless, and the biker, he's already back on his ride like nothing happened. If you thought that was bold, the next one's even scarier. In this clip, a massive bull breaks loose and starts rampaging through the streets, putting everyone nearby in danger. But one biker doesn't run. He follows the bull, warns bystanders, and helps pin it down before anyone gets hurt. What an absolute hero, right? Think that was heroic. The next biker spots something small, but ends up saving much more than expected. A man on the sidewalk looks exhausted, barely able to speak. The biker pulls over, checks on him, and offers him a bottle of water. No questions, no judgment.
Huh? Hey, my man, you got water? You got water?
For you, man.
I just need a bottle of water.
You don't have bottles of water, you want just a cup of water?
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
I think a bag.
Thank you. Do I owe anything?
Huh?
Do I owe it? Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you. There you go, my friend.
It's a small gesture, but it means everything in that moment. The next biker stops for something barely visible, but what he does next will completely surprise you. A biker hears faint meowing, then spots a kitten trapped deep inside a road drain. Without a second of hesitation, he pulls over, opens the cover, and tries everything to get the cat out. Eventually, he reaches in by hand and saves it.
Gatinho, sai! Mete muito aí dentro.
Next up, a biker gets involved in a breakdown, but what unfolds is way more than just car trouble. Here, a biker spots a woman stranded with a broken down car on the side of the road. He checks the issue, offers a jump start, and when that fails, he helps push the car to safety himself.
You okay? Huh? They won't start? You think it's your battery?
No, I think it's saying it overheated.
Overheated?
Yeah.
Did you see smoke coming out?
What?
Did you see smoke?
I don't know. You can keep it funky, put it in neutral and pull it over.
Alright, got you.
There's no hesitation, just problem solving, kindness, and real effort.
Did it start?
I can put it in neutral.
Yeah, your radiator's blown.
What?
Yeah, your radiator's blown.
I can't hear.
Your radiator.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's blown.
What's that mean?
It means that the car will be overheated.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why it won't start.
Oh, okay.
I think you try to turn it over.
Yeah.
Again. Your no.
No, the battery's fine.
It looks like it's the battery.
I have a jump start.
You have a jump start?
Yeah.
Yeah, her car won't start.
Yeah, my car won't start.
Oh,
Hers.
okay.
Yeah.
So where's your bike underneath? My bad.
All right. Yeah, her head gasket's gone.
Huh?
Her head gasket's gone. Yeah.
The next biker hears a scream and ends up in a terrifying confrontation no one saw coming. A biker hears a scream nearby and immediately turns his camera on. He spots a terrified girl running from a man and steps in between them without a second thought.
Help me.
Stop, mate. No hands, no hands.
No,
She's my girlfriend,
no,
okay, mate?
No hands.
Okay, mate. Please pass through. You can go, okay? Go, please, go.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god, thank you so much.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Don't worry, everything's fine.
Adios, thank God. Okay, I'm here, I'm safe.
Yeah, you're safe. Everything's fine. Where are you going?
I'm going home. I was just going from the bus station.
I can bring you home if you want it.
Oh my god, please,
Yeah?
thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
don't worry,
God.
don't worry. Everything's fine. I'm here.
Oh my god. Thank God you were here.
Don't worry. Okay, you say I have second helmet. Where do you live?
I live very nearby.
All right, just show me road. Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Just
Okay.
don't worry. Just okay. Give me a hand.
Whoa.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Then he takes her home safely, making sure she's okay before leaving. You think that was heart-melting. In the following clip, a biker finds a man passed out behind the wheel and tries to save his life. While riding, a biker spots a car stopped awkwardly in the road. The driver is slumped over, almost dead. The biker pulls over, turns off the car, grabs the keys, and calls emergency services right away.
Yo, you good, bro? Yo, you good? Yo, hey man, you good, bro? Hey, you good, bro? Hey man. Hey man. What's your name, bro? I'm on New Bern Avenue, right before you get to the hospital. I got a guy, he's just in the middle of the road. He hit the road barrier, like the median, but he's like passed out. Oh, he might be ODing. Yeah, I'm at his car right now. It's still on, I think. But like I said, he is not responsive at all. I am gonna try to cut the car off. Hey brother. Hey brother. You good, man?
You know, they were going to give the information to...
All right, I was able to get the keys. I put it in park and I was able to get the keys. His phone's ringing, I think. Hello? I'm on New Bern Avenue, right as soon as you get off of 440. In front of the, no, keep going down. If you're at the Popeyes, keep coming down, and it's on the other side of the bridge. Hey, is he under the influence or anything? He looks like he's like passed out. Okay, so today's his birthday? Are you answering the call? Yeah, just back out. I got there on the way, but I have his keys. You want me to put this in the front seat? Yeah. We'll handle it. Okay. Well, I hope everything's all right. Could you contact me and tell me if he's all right or whatever? Yeah, I can, man. Let me get That'd be cool. Brother. Yeah, just contact me, like, let me know if he's all right. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody was passing him. I was like, bro, obviously this man needs help. You know, so like, let me stop and kind of make sure he's okay. Yeah. And the car was still in drive, and the median was the only thing that's stopping him. Check it out, man. I got you.
Nobody else stopped, but he did, and may have saved a life. They were just about to ride off, but one man suddenly drops to the ground, and it all takes a turn for the worse. Just as a group of bikers get ready to ride, a man nearby suddenly collapses from heat exhaustion. They rush over, help him sit, offer water, and make sure he's stable before anyone else even reacts. Quick thinking and pure compassion.
Yo, is he fine?
Yeah.
Yo, you good?
Yeah, he good.
You alright? Sit down, man. What happened?
It's the heat.
That's the keys,
bro. Yeah. You were flying, but you didn't.
Thank you.
He can't ride. Don't fucking ride right now, bro.
Nah, I'm good.
Yeah. You alright there?
Next, a group of bikers see something on the sidewalk and instantly becomes the only hope someone has. Here, a group of bikers spot an elderly man struggling to walk, bleeding from the head and clearly in pain. They immediately pull over, check on him, and stay until help arrives. No hesitation, no crowd, just quiet, genuine kindness.
Wszystko w porządku!
Proszę pan ustało. Daleko pan stąd mieszka? Mógł pan wstać. Dojdzie pan na pewno?
Up next, the biker finds a car parked oddly on the roadside, and what he discovers inside is shocking. While riding, a biker notices a car stopped at the side of the road with a woman inside, motionless. He gently knocks on the window, and suddenly, she wakes up, disoriented but alive.
Oh. Is she okay? Oh. Oh, you okay? ¿Está bien? Oh, okay. No, bueno. Bye. Dude, she was, bro, I tried looking at her carotid and I couldn't see anything moving. But yeah, no, she was waiting for her husband right there at the bus stop. So yeah, she was just taking a nap.
No one else had stopped. He did, and it may have made all the difference. A biker witnesses a serious crash right in front of him. A car flipped, people trapped. He rushes over, checks on everyone, helps guide traffic, and even helps flip the vehicle back upright. In a chaotic moment, he became calm, fast, and heroic.
Because I gotta flip the truck over. Come on.
Oh my god.
All right.
Okay, you're good now.
Just wait right here.
You're good now.
You got out?
You get out? Is the guy inside?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You're the one inside?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Got him.
I don't think
I didn't know you want to push it, I mean.
It's in park right now.
Okay, put on neutral. Push it over. Okay.
Gracias. ¿Y el vato qué es?